So you haven't enjoyed for this LG washing machine? Please enjoy it, and I'm keeping over here because you can see the time properly and washing. And this program is checked. So as of it is becoming 40 degrees Celsius. Think you can see clearly the time. Oh, you can't see the washer. Okay, you can see the washer for this time. I hope we can see the washer clearly. It's 31 minutes remaining. Now stumbling, of course. So I'll tell you the motions. For baby care, it is actually only do swing, rolling or tumble. So that it cares for baby clothes. For easy care, it could be swing, roll and tumble too. For mix, you can do all 6 motions only for this mix program, of course. "31 minutes remaining." I actually keep 1000 rotation per minute. 30 minutes remaining. I really like this washer than the top load. Why they have bought this washing machine? Because our old washing machine named LG 6kg top load. It's only top load the washing machine. It has only simple programs. It takes for the wash options are only to check. Could be turbo wash is an option. Wash, rinse and spin is on this program. It doesn't take this program because it's a cheap washing machine, and the washing machine is not working for this time. So we bought an LG 6kg washing machine. So I'm at Kakanad in Kerala because I visit so many places to post and video and subscribe it. So people, what are you waiting for? You must subscribe to my channel if you're watching this video. This is a nice washing machine ever. I really like this. It's 29 minutes remaining. My video recording is 14.20 seconds. 14 minutes 20 seconds. I think it's washing properly. This washing machine is very careful than my IFB washing machine because at least it's a belt drive and it doesn't protect. And after that, so the belt drive means that's got more moving parts such as belt, pulley, so the power goes from motor, belt to the pulley and the washer because it has 4 parts, but only 3 parts over here in the bottom of the drum to the drum. So direct drive protects close, not only close but only to turn properly because there's less direct connection to turn to turn the drum. Oh, I don't have to pause recording because you want to see how the full cycle is. So chill for then. So have a great day with this washing machine and continue watching this video. And hope you enjoyed it. Can you enjoy more this video? Sure. No, it does take 26 minutes more. Now it's 17 minutes recording. You have to record until the full cycle. ഞാൻ ശ്രുതി വീഡിയോ അത് വാഷിംഗ് മെഷീന് ഫുൾ സൈക്കിൾ ക്വിക്ക് 30 പ്രോഗ്രാം ആണ്.